After leaving Expedition Trailers in Cherryville, Missouri, we decided for our first trip with the trailer, we're going to head down to the Arkansas Ozarks. 5 hours later, we hit the head of our trail. We air down for a smoother ride and head down into the valleys. This is our first trip with this trailer, so we're excited to see how it performs. This video is a little mix of our experience and a little ASMR on our camping trip. We immediately noticed the difference between our older trailer and this one. This trailer is around 3,000 pounds, but with a tongue weight of only 200 pounds, it tows pretty much the same. And with electric brakes and the Red Arc Tow Pro, controlling downhill braking on gravel is pretty easy. I was expecting a lot more bumps out of this trailer. We were hopping around, but looking back at the trailer, it was staying pretty steady, allowing this trailer to float down over these potholes as the Cruisemaster XT suspension, and so far we're pleasantly surprised. If you've never been to the Ozarks, expect a lot of beautiful water crossings and amazing trails, most of which are shadowed even mid-afternoon by the towering mountains around you. On our truck, we have a 2.5-inch Clayton off-road suspension. In anticipation of pulling a little bit heavier trailer, we went ahead and got the rear 3.5-inch lift springs on the rear in heavy duty. We now know that was a little overkill since this trailer's tongue weight is lighter, but I still don't mind the ride as it feels smooth over these rocky sections. Plus, with the new suspension, it rides just a little bit higher in the rear with the trailer attached, which is fine. After some amazing trail, we landed at one of our favorite camp spots in the Ozarks. Because we like to move our camp spots about every day, it's really nice not to have to detach our trailer. So one quick match track, we get level. And first things first, setting up our Charuka 270 plus awning. There's one main reason that we chose the left-hand side 270, and that's honestly to keep the wife happy. That's the side of the bed she likes to sleep on. So getting out when it's raining to use the bathroom is much easier. It also helps that it covers the galley kitchen table when it's put out. Now that the awning's up, enjoy this riverside camping ASMR. See how we utilize this trailer and how easy setup, breakdown, and use is throughout the night. setup and breakdown at camp took about 5 minutes each to get through. In the past, we've always left this area the way we came in. Now it's time to try a little bit more difficult section of trail on our way to our next destination. 3-section mile out of here was full of decent rocks, potholes, and river crossings. The trailer, with almost 2 feet of clearance, more than our truck, handled perfectly. For being so expansive, the Ozarks have extremely well-maintained gravel roads. And this area is littered with history. One of my favorite pieces of history in the area has a pretty wide water crossing to get to. The piece of history I'm referring to is the Old Union School. Here's what the old wiki has to say about it. The Union School is a historic school building in a rural setting in Ozark St. Francis National Forest. The school was built by local craftsmen in 1928 to 1929, replacing a previous structure which had been destroyed by fire. The community around here is beautifully restored and made this into a little museum. There's only 2 big classrooms with wood-burning stoves in the corners. For me, it's hard to imagine, even getting here in the wintertime, how hard it was to get to school. After 2 hours of county roads and gravel forestry roads, we're heading to our next favorite spot in the Ozarks. This is Pilot Knob. We found this spot when we were doing the Trans-American Trail through this area. It's right off the main trail. It's only 0.23 miles up to the top right off the main road, but it starts with a nice little shelf rock climb. Some of these little shelf rocks are between 1 and 2 foot tall, and the Trail Series made easy work of it. When it comes to mountain peak views, you can't beat the Ozarks and this spot. Already, after setting this up once, setup is even easier. The Ozarks have about everything to offer, from clifftop peaks all the way down to river crossings and beautiful waterside camp spots. And also being camped on a popular trail, you often get visitors. We had an awesome 45-minute visitor from a guy named Bo. Bo lived about 25 miles away and just enjoyed riding the trails when he wasn't spending time with his grandkids. He gave me some great spots for future trips and then headed out. I appreciate you, man.
Take her easy.
Closer to golden hour, I think it was time for some whiskey in the wild that we have stored in our Zargus custom foam cutout that they made for our little bar area. This is a flavored whiskey that everybody can get into, and it has a flask on the front of it. So with a bourbon and tea in hand, we enjoyed a beautiful evening watching the sunset. Something that helps us get on the move early the next morning is to go ahead and break down most of your camp the night before you go to bed. Having the radar controls right inside your door also allows you to get in and turn all of your power and lights off from the inside. And even with the whipper wheels going ham outside, this thing has 2-inch thick walls, so when you close those doors, the only sound you hear is what comes through the little windows. And speaking of those, with the roof fan going, it pulls the perfect amount of breeze in there to keep you cool at night and keep the bugs out. And there's a decent sized table to store all your goodies while you sleep. For the last few weeks, it's been raining in the Ozarks, so every morning you can expect fog and beautiful views from up top. This morning, we're heading out of the Ozarks to head back home. But first, we've got to get off this mountain. After some go trails, there's only one place that I want to eat breakfast before we leave: the historic Ozarks Cafe. Put this on your travel list. They have one of the best breakfast a la carte you can get. For a complete walkthrough and features on our trailer, go watch our previous video. We are extremely impressed of how this thing handled, and to see the difference when a trailer is built with purpose, quality, and usability at top of mind.